Seem like somebody who's practicing safety.
Yes, that is very important. You don't want to get metal in your eyes. You don't want to catch your feet on fire, so it's good to wear your boots. It's good to be safety all the way around. If you don't practice safety, the instructors doesn't let you weld anyway like that. So it's best to practice safety because you don't want to have flash burn. You don't want to be able to your eyes be messed up for your life, for the rest of your life. You don't want to have to rush to the hospital. You don't want to have to leave on medical leave and then miss out in school and then be absent and then be way behind.
Yes.
So safety is 100 important. It's the first thing you have to do. Other than that, the school will take you a lot of places.
Yes.
School will take you a lot of places. This career is it. I want to start my own business as a female welder.
Okay.
So that's my goal.
Yeah.
Challenges of being in the welding booth, you really have to pay attention.
All right.
Because if you don't pay attention and you don't keep yourself steady, you're gonna fall.
All right.
You're gonna be set back. You're not gonna be up with other, classmates. It's really on paying attention on everything you do. It keeps me aware of everything that's going around me. And period. Everyday school day is sometimes overwhelming.
All right.
But I push through it. We get breaks, we get time to ourselves. And just a daily day at school, just keeps me motivated.